Hello, welcome back. In the last video, we added functionality to our import button callback function, and we were able to display images on our image editing window. But we were stuck at a problem: the large images were not able to display on our GUI. And in this video, we'll write a solution for that problem. So let us create a new file, and this will name it as image editor version 5. Let us transfer our code over here. So instead of displaying the image in import button callback function method, we'll write another method to display the image. So we'll write a different display method for displaying our image on the window. So let us write define display image, and we'll pass an argument. Let us say display image. Alright, let us now cut and paste our code from here to here. So all the displaying part has been covered in this method, display image. So what we will do, instead of directly displaying the original image on the GUI window, what we'll do is we'll first resize the image and then display it on the GUI window. So for that, what we'll do is we'll write image to display. This will be equal to display image dot resize, and let us say the size will be like 900 comma 600, and we'll have to pass one more parameter that will be image dot anti-alias, and this should be able to resize the original image into the parameters we have passed here. And now here, instead of original image, we will pass image to display. Alright, and in the import button callback function, we will have to call this new method, that is display image, and we'll have to pass an argument that will be original image. Alright, I guess this should solve the problem. We'll just try to run this. Let us click on import button, and let us try to display image 1. Open. You can see the whole image is appearing very properly in our GUI window, and that is what we want. So that is it for this video. See you in the next one.